Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to make a 3D pentagram star by using Blender 4.2. So start from now, I'm going to show you all the step by step how to make this. First, I'm going to just delete everything, just press A and delete everything. Then I'm going to just add a circle. In this circle, I'm going to make the vertices as 5, and later I'm going to make a pentagram. So I will just go to the edit mode now. I'm going to just connect in this way first. Right, this is the last one. Alright, once done already, now you can see we are going to make the intersection point as the edge. So you can see this is an edge, this is another edge. We are going to merge to create a new vertices here. So what we need to do is just add an add-ons, go to the edit preferences, then go to the get extension, search for tiny. Then make sure the tiny cat mesh tool is already installed. If you not yet installed, you can see the install button. Now I already installed it. Next, go to the add-on, search for tiny, and you have a tiny cat mesh tool. Make sure it already activated, then close. Then at here, just click the empty area and press A. Then right click, you should be able to see a tiny cat at here. Then what you need to do is just intersect the selected edges. Then click here, you should be able to see the intersection point of the edge already become a new vertex. In this way, if you can move it, you can move it. Alright, next we are going to delete the extra meshes. Delete the extra edges in this way. Delete all the edges. Here, delete. Alright, delete the edges. Then at here at the center, we are going to just create a new vertex. Just add a single vertex. Add a single vertex at the center. Then we are going to connect the vertex in this way. New edge. Right. Next at here. Left one only. Right now, you can see already get connected. You can just press A and just right click new edge and shape. Now you can see if you select just one vertex, then you can make a 3D pentagram in this way. So next, what you need is another side. To make it another side, you may just turn the mirror on, but now it doesn't have, so it's okay. Just take it easy, back to the object mode, and we duplicate this, Shift D to duplicate. Now you have, just press escape, you have another one. Then what you need to do is just turn 180 degree in this way. Now you have another side. Then press A and Control A to just make sure all transform. Alright, next, just press A, right click to join them to become just one single mesh and name this as pentagram 3D. Alright, now back to the edit mode. Here actually you have two vertices. You need to merge all of these the vertices. Just press A and right click, merge vertices by distance. Now you already have a very perfect pentagram in this way. Now you can just back to the object mode here, just set some material, just click plus new. Usually you will just make it as a golden metallic with 0 roughness to make it like a gold star, pentagram, something like this. If you go to the edit mode, Now, if you click here, then move this one. Both is going to move together because of this is the mirror. If you move one of this, both is going to, okay, this one you cannot move it unless if you just deactivate it and just use the Y, then it is going to follow as well. Right, if X, now you can see all follow together. By the way, this is just a perfect pentagram by a star shape, and everything look in 3D, and you can use it in your 3D project, and it is really easy. And that's all for today about my tutorials on how to make a pentagram in Blender as a 3D model of the pentagram. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all so that the next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing. See you!